Traveling along the boulevard, we enter the highway from the ferry. We will be taking the first exit, and this will bring us to the Spanish Town Toll Plaza, where we will head through the first roundabout, and then we will be taking the first exit at the second roundabout, which will be coming up. So this we're now on Old Harbour Road, and for this journey we will be continuing straight until it is time to turn off at Bushy Park. Alright, a lot of rain has been falling, but nevertheless we still have to give you guys this video. It's the open house at Aqueduct of Vineyards. So this is one of the routes that you can take to get to the development. The other one would be to exit the toll at the Old Harbour Plaza, and then you will go through the town and come back around. But no turn off until we'll be taking the left at Bushy Park, and then pretty much head straight down the road. And guess what? We are right here at the development.
What's up, guys? So we finally made it to Aqueduct of Vineyards on the inside for the very first time. And you guys have been patiently waiting on a tour of the monthly unit. So here what? We're going to be touring 3 units for you today. So we're going to do in the spring, the garden, and the estate. Alright? So we have two bedroom, 1 bathroom unit, different sizes. And we also have a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit. I know we hear the echo because this unit is empty, but don't worry. We will be giving you one that is fully furnished, so that you can see exactly how you can lay out your furnitures in these units, alright? And you can see the beautiful aqueduct right there from your kitchen sink. Just look through the window and have a nice view. So guys, I'm going to be jumping into this tour right now. But remember, if you don't get to make it today, the flyer is on the screen on the days that you can come to view the property for yourself. So guys, with no further delay, we're going to jump into the store. I'll try to give you a drone shot because it's actually raining on the outside right now. But remember to like this video, remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to leave your comment, and remember that it is always ChriSamz for your property tour and update. So here what? We get into it right now. So even on a rainy day, you can still purchase a property. And we'll be going into this 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom unit to show you guys what's going on the inside, alright? Here you have your smart lock just looking at you on your door right there. You have a nice little patio area. Give you a closer look on the door. It's still taped because work is still going on. But when you walk into this unit, you have your living space. As you can see right there, it's an open concept. Nice, beautiful windows, letting in a lot of light into this unit. So corner to corner, that's a space that you guys have to work with. You have your entertainment wall right there, and you lay out your couch towards the wall on the other side with this beautiful window. And just there you see your kitchen setup. It's always nice to have the cupboard on this side of the counter. And we just take it right into the kitchen. Now you have your nice countertop. You have your double sink, your nice faucet, plenty of cupboard space. And like I say, I'll be giving you guys a tour of the unit that is fully furnished so that you can see exactly how you can lay out stuff in your unit. All right. So remember, this house comes with a lot of smart features. Let me just show you the aqueduct again. So you're here washing up your dishes and you have the beautiful view on the outside. So right off your kitchen, you'll have this nice open way, and this will lead into your bathroom straight ahead. As you can see, the design continues with this nice beautiful wood, which is also a medicine cabinet. This mirror is very lovely. Nice faucet for your face basin. More cupboard space. You have your toilet just right here. You have a tub. Nice style work with your rain shower head. And these faucets are very lovely, guys. Alright, so that's it for the bathroom, and we'll just turn right into bedroom number 1. You get 2 nice windows, also with a view. And guys, from this window, you'll notice that there is a tank on the outside of the other unit. So this forms a part of your rainwater harvesting system, all right? And as you can see, there's also a water tank on top of the unit, so you can't miss out where water is concerned. All right, so in this room you have your closet right here. When I checked earlier, it's very high, so if you can build your shelves properly, then you will have a lot of space for your clothing. All right, and there's always a good feeling when you can find outlets on every single wall in the room. All right, so this is a nice size room. It's very bright. And remember, you can always install your AC unit. Just before we get to the second bedroom, there is a closet right here, and it's not a smart home without your power system from your solar panels on the rooftop. I'll try to give you a shot of that if the rain allows it. So we're in to our second bedroom, and this is what it looks like. These rooms are very light, they're very bright thanks to these windows, and you also have your closet space, same height and everything. So we're going to move right into the next 2-bed 1-bath unit. It's just a bit better in terms of size, so we're not going to spend a lot of time there, but I'll still show you what's going on. So let's go. So from the outside, you can get a glimpse of your solar panel on the roof, as well as you also have your floodlights installed on these units. But I'll still try to give you a drone shot even in the rain. All right, guys? So we are now into our smallest unit, which is a spring. This one is the smaller of the two-bed, 1-bathroom unit. And as you can spot the difference walking into this one, where you don't have that little island in the middle of a unit that forms a part of your kitchen, like the one that we saw earlier. But the space is still nice. You still get your big windows, still get your double sink, cupboards are consistent, countertops are consistent, and your porcelain floor tiles are consistent. And you have your bathroom right here. This one does not have the rain shower head, but you still get a nice tub. The tiles are nice as well. And you also get your medicine cabinet with this lovely mirror on it as well. Same for the face basin. Consistency continues throughout the unit. This is bedroom number 1. Still have your big windows. This room feels very light. You also have your big closet space. All you guys need to do is to come in and to set up how you want it to be. And I still have to show you the aqueduct on the outside. This one also has the closet space for your solar system setup, as all these units are smart homes. There are standard things on all of them, including your smart door locks, your floodlight, your solar water heater, solar panels, your rain harvesting water system. So guys, this is the smallest unit at the Aqueduct of Vineyards.